Hey guys, welcome back to Drive Vault, your ultimate spot for all the latest scoops on RVs, motorhomes, and everything that gets you out on the open road. Today we dive into something that's got the whole RV community buzzing, the upcoming 2026 Dynamax Isata Ford Motorhome. This one's gonna blow you away. We've got leaks and early specs trickling in, and let me tell you, Dynamax is stepping up their game big time with this beast. Grab a coffee, settle in, and let's break it down like we're chatting over a campfire. First off, let's talk about that killer design and exterior that's turning heads. Picture this. The 2026 Isata rolls in on a rugged Ford F600 chassis, giving it that commanding presence you crave in a Class C motorhome. It's got this aggressive, muscular stance with sharpened lines, flared wheel arches, and an enlarged front. Grille that's straight up menacing. Think chrome accents that scream, "Get out of my way." The paint jobs are next level too. We're seeing options like deep wine red with subtle mountain and forest graphics that blend right in, making it look like it's ready to conquer the wilderness while still turning heads at the campsite. And those oversized all-terrain tires paired with custom blacked-out alloy rims? They add that intimidating edge, perfect for anyone who wants their rig to feel as tough as it performs. Compared to older models like the 2024 Isata, this one's got a more streamlined profile, less boxy, more aerodynamic, which means better wind resistance on the highway and a sleeker vibe overall. Now, under the hood, Dynamax is packing some serious punch with what looks like a hybrid engine setup that's a game-changer for efficiency and power. From what we've gathered, it's blending Ford's proven power stroke tech with electric assist, aiming for around 330 horsepower and a whopping 950 lb-ft of torque. Imagine cruising down the interstate with that kind of grunt, but then switching to hybrid mode for quieter, more fuel-efficient runs in the city or on light trails. Performance-wise, it's mated to a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission, and early tests suggest it'll handle like a dream. Quick acceleration, stable towing, up to 15,000 pounds, and better mileage than pure diesel setups from past years. If you're towing a boat or trailer, this thing won't even break a sweat. And for those of us who love veering off the beaten path, the off-road features are where it really shines. Factory 4x4 comes standard on select trims with a lowered suspension. For that predatory stance, plus those rugged tires I mentioned earlier, it's not just for show. This Isata can tackle gravel roads, muddy campsites, or even light snow without skipping a beat. Dynamax has really listened to feedback from previous models, beefing up the ground clearance and adding reinforced underbody protection. So it's way more capable than, say, the 2023 Isata that felt a bit more road-focused. Shifting gears to the inside, oh man, the interior is where the luxury hits home. Dynamax has designed this to feel like a high-end apartment on wheels, perfectly scaled for its 34-foot length, depending on the floor plan. Step into the living area, and you're greeted by plush wine-red leather sectionals, a sleek glass coffee, table, and ambient LED lighting that sets the perfect mood for movie nights. The kitchen's a chef's delight with marble countertops, stainless steel appliances like a convection oven and wine cooler, all lit up with under-cabinet glows. Then there's the bedroom. A king-sized setup with velvet headboards, built-in wardrobes, and a skylight for stargazing. Don't forget the spa-like bathroom, rainfall shower, heated towel racks, the works. Everything's wrapped in high-gloss walnut, cabinetry with chrome touches, and it's all about that open, airy feel with panoramic windows and automated shades. It's a huge upgrade from earlier Isatas, where interiors were solid, but not quite this opulent. Think more space optimization and smarter storage solutions that make long trips feel effortless. All right, let's get real about pricing, because I know that's on everyone's mind. The 2026 Isata is expected to start around $298,000 for base models, climbing up to about $370,000 for fully loaded versions with all the bells and whistles like the Explorer package for extra off-road goodies or lithium batteries for boondocking. That's a bit of a jump from the 2025 models, which topped out around $280K, but you're getting that hybrid efficiency, enhanced 4x4, and premium interiors that justify the bump. In the grand scheme, it's competitive, cheaper than luxury rivals, like the Renegade Verona, which can push $400K plus but offers similar build quality, while outpacing budget options like the Thor Omni in power and features. If you're upgrading from an older Dynamax, this feels like a natural evolution. More tech, better handling, and that Ford reliability that's hard to beat. When you stack it up against the competition, the Isata really holds its own. Take the Tiffin. Wayfarer, it's sleek and comfy, but lacks the raw off-road muscle and towing capacity of this Dynamax. Or the Storyteller Overland. Great for adventure seekers, but the Isata's hybrid twist gives it an edge in fuel savings for longer hauls. Past Dynamax models were already fan favorites for their durability, but this 2026 version amps up the aggression and luxury, fixing little gripes like limited storage or dated tech from the 2020s era. It's like Dynamax took the best of Ford's truck heritage and fused it with RV innovation. Result? A motorhome that's as fun to drive as it is to live in. Ooh, I could geek out about this all day, but that's the scoop on the 2026 Dynamax Isata Ford Motorhome. If you're itching for a rig that blends adventure, comfort, and cutting-edge tech, keep your eyes peeled for its release. It's gonna be a hot ticket. What do you think? Would you go for the hybrid power or stick with tried-and-true diesel? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Hit that like button if you're as excited as I am, and subscribe to Drive Vault for more RV reviews, tips, and exclusive first looks. Don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss an update. We've got more epic motorhome content coming your way. Thanks for watching, safe travels out there, and I'll catch you in the next one.